Deep in this Miami jungle, a legend is hiding. We're going in to find it.
The owner says it's been rotting here for 30 years. Nature has taken over. There she is, buried alive. Vines are growing right through the chassis.
Total devastation, rust, mold, and decay. Most would call this impossible to save.
The door is seized. Come on, open up! It smells like a swamp inside. Disgusting. Rats, bugs, and rot. The interior is completely gone. $1,000. She thinks I'm buying scrap metal.
I see a masterpiece.
She doesn't want to leave. Dragging her out of the grave, inch by inch.
From the garden to the city. She looks rough, but she's heading to rehab.
Welcome to the workshop. This is where the dead come back to life.
Look at this. The metal is like paper. We have a mountain to climb. Everything goes. The smell is unbearable. We're stripping it to the bone.
The heart is frozen. This V8 hasn't turned over in 30 years.
Engine extraction. Pulling out the old iron to make way for the new.
Cutting out the cancer. The floors are gone, so we slice them out.
Rock bottom. Just a skeleton remains. Now the rebuilding begins.
Sandblasting. Erasing decades of decay in seconds. Watch that rust vanish.
Clean slate. Naked steel. Now we have a solid foundation.
Sparks fly. Welding in new floors. Structural integrity restored.
Sculpting the lines. Hours of sanding to get those curves perfect.
Machine shop. Boring the cylinders. We're making this engine bigger and badder.
New internals. Forged pistons going in. This motor will handle serious power.
Precision. Every bolt torqued to spec. No room for error.
Fresh paint. The V8 is reborn. It looks too good to hide.
Into the booth. Time to give this ghost some color.
Candy apple red. Deep, metallic, and dangerous. Perfect for Miami.
The transformation. The red hits the metal, and the car comes alive.
Clear coat. Look at that depth. It's like looking into a mirror.
She's out. That red is blinding. The garden wreck is long gone.
New suspension. Modern handling for a classic ride.
Big brakes. She needs to stop as fast as she goes. Heart transplant complete. The V8 is back home. Connecting the power, drive shaft is in. We are getting close.
Rewiring. No more rat's nests. Clean, modern power.
Soundproofing. Killing the noise. Making it luxury inside. Fresh carpet. It finally smells like a new car.
Dash is back. Restored gauges looking crisp and clear.
Wood grain wheel. Classy and timeless. It feels right.
Custom leather. No more mold. Only comfort.
New glass. Crystal clear view of the road ahead.
Chrome is on. The jewelry that makes the paint pop.
Let there be light. The eyes are open again.
New shoes. 18-inch mags. Ready to grip the street. Touchdown. The stance is mean. She sits perfect. Ugh.
Fluids in. Lifeblood for the beast. Almost time.
Power connected. The system is live. Here we go.
Final detail. Mirror finish. Perfection or nothing.
Moment of truth. Will the garden ghost run?
She's alive. Listen to that thunder.
That idol. She sounds angry. Music to my ears.
Into the sunlight. The resurrection is complete.
Head turner. No one believes this was a wreck.
Full throttle. She pulls like a freight train.
Miami cruising. Smooth, powerful, beautiful.
The reveal. Taking her back to where we found her.
She's speechless. She can't believe it's the same car.
Tears of joy. We restored a memory today.
Keep it running. That's the best reward. Job done. Another legend saved. On to the next one.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more rescues. Peace.